Assalamualaikum and good evening. Okay, today we want to talk about relation between milk and sugar. First of all, we want to introduce ourselves. My name is Muja bin Zulhalinda. My matric number 177388 and my partner.
Okay. Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Sofwan from Biotechnology Faculty, and my matric number is 180022.
Okay, as you know, we are from physics science student, and I'm from physics, and
I'm from biochemistry student.
okay, we want to talk about relation between physics and biochem because in science, all of part of science is related. Okay, next. Okay, we focus on the application of weight in determining the concentration of producing sugar. Okay, by using the visible light, we can determine the amount of reducing sugar in the solution. Okay, next. Okay, first I want to introduce about wave. Wave, it can be described as the disturbance that travel through the medium from one location to another location. Okay, we can divide into two categories. First, transverse wave and longitudinal wave. Okay, next. Okay, transverse wave. The displacement of the medium is perpendicular to the direction of propagation wave. Okay, for example, stream and water wave. Okay, focus on beach wave moving to the shore. You see the wave moving to the shore, but the molecule of water are not travel to the shore. That is the water wave movement. Okay, next. Okay, longitudinal wave. The displacement of the medium is parallel to the propagation of the wave. Okay, next. Okay, for example, light wave. We focus on electromagnetic wave. Type of electromagnetic wave, we have radio wave, microwave, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-ray, and gamma ray. These are different with wavelength. Okay, you can see radio wave have a long wavelength, but gamma ray is a short wavelength. Okay, next. Okay, visible light. We have a 6 color of visible light. First is violet, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Okay, it can be applied in scientifically laboratory experiment, such as in determining the concentration of reducing sugar. Okay, so I want to invite my partner to explain about sugar.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Sofwan. We meet again. Thank you to my partner Mujawidin explaining about the wave and what is wave, how much type of wave and how it's propagate, which is move. Okay, next slide please. Okay, in biochemistry we have talked about sugar, which is have two type of sugar, reducing and non-reducing sugar. So each type can give very useful nutrient to our body, which is can give energy and maintain our blood glucose sugar and maintain our metabolism. So today we will talk about the reducing sugar. What is reducing sugar? Which is we can determine the concentration of the reducing sugar in several solutions. Okay, next for the resource. The source of sugar in our daily life, which is we can obtain the sugar from our daily meal, which is like banana, the source of carbohydrate. The carbohydrate will catabolize to glucose and make sugar. And rice, food, vegetables, and fish, also the meat. So okay, for all of of the food will undergo several pathways, which is break down to simpler molecule to be absorbed by our body. Next slide. So after the sugar is break down, and then we want to determine the concentration of the sugar, because we talk about the sugar, reducing sugar. We want to determine the concentration of the sugar in the solution. So we use a special indicator, which is we call Benedict solution. So for the analytically, for example, from my cloth, my shirt have the bonding between the molecule. So we take some example that reducing sugar have special bonding between the molecule, and then the Benedict solution will attach to the bonding, and then produce the blue color. So that will be applied to the next instrument, which is we call spectrophotometer. And then in this instrument, the light will bombarded pass through the solution, and the solution have the blue light. Blue light come from the bond, and then the blue light will absorbed by the bond, by the Benedict bonding with the molecule, and then the light after that is less concentrated in blue color, so that the receptor in the instrument will detect less amount of blue color. That means the concentration of the reducing sugar in the solution is high. So, and then the for less concentration is vice versa. So that's all the what we can relate from wave to the biochemistry field, physics to biochemistry field, and maybe that's all. Assalamualaikum.